stay ready for the spotlight. And you know, your go-to formula for confidence, of course, nakikita natin ang power confidence. Ang pag-upo pa lang ni David Licao, kung alam na natin confident na confident. Whether you're on stage, on camera, or in daily life, we need confidence. Daily life ko lang to, guys. Daily life kong makatabi ang isang David Licao ko and a mom host model, Miss Nish. So David, I have been following you on your social media. Yes.
Can you see?
And wait lang, wala akong cellphone, pero you know how you know I follow you? Nagba-basketball yan ng topless. Nag-gym pa yan ng topless. Kala mo hindi ko nakita, ha? And you are a restaurateur, entrepreneur. Gusto kong matry yung food mo soon. But I have a question. How do you keep yourself fresh considering you've done a lot of sports, actor ka pa, you have a lot of lines to memorize. So, what's your secret?
Well, yeah, I mean, with everything that I do, I would say marami akong ginagawa. You know, again, like what you said, I'm an athlete, I play basketball, and yung acting is always there. My businesses, lagi rin nandyan, diba? So for me, I just have, you know, like, three things that I have to do every single day for me to be confident. Siyempre sa ginagawa ko sa buhay, kailangan mo talaga ng confidence eh. Diba? I mean, not just for me, but like for everybody, I believe that confidence is key. Diba? Like in everything talaga. So what I do is, I need my physical health to be on that, you know, like tier. Siyempre, I work out, I play basketball. Yung mental health ko naman, I try to meditate, I try to read a book para like yung mental state ko, like creative, assertive, diba? And of course, yung hygiene din, diba? Sa akin naman, syempre maliligo ka. Maliligo ka.
David, sana all maligo lang kung gano'n nakagwapo. At ganyang kaganda, ligo-ligo lang.
But yeah, yun, kailangan mo maligo, kailangan mo mag-toothbrush. And ang pinakalagi kong talagang hindi kinakalimutan is yung breath spray.
Breath spray.
Diba?
Mami Nish, speaking of breath spray.
Diba, we're speaking about staying fresh and on-the-go freshness. Ang oral breath spray talaga ng Dermaid, hindi yan pwedeng mawala sa ating. But it's just so small and you can put it in your pocket, diba? So, anytime spray ka lang ako, I do it like 2 sprays talaga ako. And grabe, instant, cool, and refresh talaga yung breath mo.
And did you know, guys, ang Derm8, hindi lang siya oral breath spray. They have different variant from citrus fresh, strawberry mint, fresh peppermint, and cool spearmint. David, anong favorite mo? Fruity or minty?
Minty.
Minty, guys! Go to the Derm8 booth there on your right side. Later on, bumili kayo ng cool spearmint. David, for you, nag-spray ako ng minty. Nahiya ako. Okay? So, if you don't mind, we will also want to make sure na i-remember ninyo na later on to visit the booth there, Derm8 on the right side. Kasi
The booth
later
right there?
on, yeah,
Ando yung
there.
booth, guys, ha?
Yes!
Dermaid.
Mommy
Pupunta
Nish,
tayo dun mamaya.
yeah, Mommy Nish and David will be there to teach you. You're gonna teach them how to do breath
David
spray.
will spray daw.
Yeah, so thank you for that tip, Mommy Nish. So, if you don't mind, let's bring back the sparkle to all Derm8 fans because calling the winners of those who purchased Derm8 products of 999 pesos worth. Nandiyan ba kayo? Ayun, nandito sila. Okay, those who purchased 999 pesos worth of Derm8 products, marami na yun, ha? So, fresh and confident kayo, Mr. David Licauco will be serenading you guys once again.
Serenade ko sila, yung mga bubili.
na it kills the germs and bacteria.
Yes! Wait lang, nahawakan kita, David. Alam mo yung sinasabi ko, guys. Namamawis na ako.
Especially when you're beside David,
Ay.
diba? So, dapat lagi tayong fresh, not just our breath, but also our whole body. So, very important yon kasi, oral health is very important. Kanina pinag-uusapan natin ang oral breath spray of Dermaid. And you said you like mint, both of you?
Yes.
Then actually, I like the
Pareho
spearmint.
tayo, we love
Spearmint.
mint.
My daughters, I have 9 and 7 years old. Gumagamit na sila nitong the strawberry mint. Kasi this one, guys, from Dermaid, this is sugar-free and alcohol-free. So even my kids, they use it diba, at school. And yun na on the go talaga. Even my kids, I let them use it. So now naman, so we're speaking of kapag ganyan na natitense ka, may katabi kang pogi, di ba? So, nandiyan na baka kinakabahan ka na. And then, pwedeng maging sweaty. But don't worry guys, we have a product from Dermaid that really works. Ito, gamit dito ng buong family ko. They also have the Tawas line. So first they have, I don't think it's here, but they have roll-on, the Deo. This one's the soap. So partner talaga yan. It has to be the Dermaid Tawas soap and the Dermaid underarm roll-on or the Tawas powder. They also have that. So they're naturally, yung ingredients niyan ay very safe for the whole family. My daughter who's 9 years old is already also using them. So
Thank you
talagang
so
subok
much.
namin and gamit na gamit namin yan sa household namin.
I am speaking on behalf of all the audience here. Thank you so much for sharing the tip. Kaya pala, you're fresh and smelling good beside David. So, just in case you guys want to try out Dermaid, the booth is there on our right side, your left side.
We'll all be here after, right?
Yeah, both of you will be there at the booth. So kung gusto nyo maamoy si David like I did, up close and personal, don't forget to miss out to check out the Dermaid booth here at BeautyCon. There's also freebies and a lot of trials and exclusive offer. So David, I have a final, message that you would like to give to your fans na sobrang kinikilig today.
Well, just remember that confidence comes from within. So if you work on yourself mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, you will be confident, diba? And I feel, again, like what I said earlier on, confidence is key, and I feel like everybody knows that line, diba? But I live by that every day. That's what I try to do. So let's do that. And on top of that, syempre, yung hygiene health din natin, di ba? Syempre, if we smell good, if we look good, mas magiging confident din tayo, di ba? So, yun, we are going to the Dermaid booth.
Yes, we'll see you over there.
Yeah.
And we'll share tips on how you stay fresh, safely, and effectively. Siyempre, dapat yung nag-e-effect talaga.
Yeah, I believe you're the ambassador for Save the Children.
Yes.
So, palakpakan natin siya. If you purchase Dermaid products, you're also helping because part of the proceeds will go to Save the Children. So, mabango ka na, maganda ka pa, nakakatulong ka pa sa mga bata.
Yes.
So, Mami Nish, final words and final bye to the audience before we leave the stage.
Well, grabe, it's such an opportunity to be here beside David. Pinapanood lang natin siya and now I'm beside him. So, sabi nga niya, confidence is the key. So, malay nyo next time kayo na yung katabi niya dito, di ba? Because you're confident enough. And now also, I want to invite everybody to the Dermaid booth. Nandun po kami ni David to assist you if you have anything that you know how to stay fresh, ganyan, safely and effectively. Dermaid has lots of products that are safe and for the whole family to use, not just for adults. And ayun pa, we'll see you over there and we'll show you Dermaid products that really work.
For a quick photo of the three of us to commemorate this very special moment. Thank you so much, Dermaid, for having me as your host. Because of you, nakatabi ko si David.
Yes.